CarMax, or almost at CarMax, to see a vehicle. Hope it's a good one.
Hope it's a good one.
Waiting on the vehicle. First time gonna see this vehicle.
They transferred it. You couldn't see it anymore on the
No,
internet?
it wasn't online anymore. So we're at CarMax looking at a 2012 Cadillac Escalade to replace Mom's 2007 Cadillac Escalade. Hopefully it's everything you're hoping for.
And you.
Huh?
And you.
And me.
I would hate to be disappointed after all this hassle.
Well, like I said, when you're looking for something specific, it's a little bit harder to find exactly what you're wanting, especially when it's used. Well, it does shine good. Sound good. He's having to get in. All right, next morning, we picked up the Escalade, my mom's new vehicle. So she went from a 2007 to a 2012. So I mean, obviously it's a used vehicle. They had one at CarMax that she liked after totaling her other one. So she went ahead and got this, and then yeah, I'm gonna kind of go around the vehicle and show some of the issues with it. See if I can't get it cleaned up today. Pretty much with any used vehicle, you're gonna have, you know, cosmetic issues and stuff. This vehicle did say it was a 2-owner vehicle, and it was involved in a couple minor wrecks. One spot that I definitely saw was something with this door was done, because whoever owned this did a full PPF on it. Not a very good PPF, I might add, but that door doesn't have PPF, so I knew that door, something had happened with that door. And then also the rear was hit somewhere. But this, I mean, this has PPF film on it. I mean, whoever did this is horrible. I mean, there's so many bubbles in this crap. So all that, I don't know, it kind of concerns me. I don't know if there's issues under the PPF, but I guess we will see. But it's definitely PPF'd. I won't say full though, because like these plastic panels, they didn't put it on, but you can see the seam line, the edge, all the edges. I thought that was a paint chip, but that's actually PPF where it's damaged. One issue we saw was with this mirror. It's almost got like a smoked spot in it. They're actually going to look at replacing that though. Tires, needs new tires. Wear bars are, I mean, really close. But really, I mean, you know, her 2007, she'd bought it new in 2007. Well, actually, it was, I think it had like 5,000 miles or something. It was like a dealer car or whatever. But, you know, so it wasn't perfect. I did see some like hail, not a whole lot, but there's some, I would assume, hail damage on the hood. But probably could get paintless people to fix that. Headlights, there was a sticker or something on this headlight. So I'm gonna see if I can get some cleaner to remove that. But overall, I mean, it looks nice. The interior, which I'll do a shot of it little later. It is a Platinum package, which hers 2007. I don't know that they even had the Platinum package then. But it's got air-conditioned cup holders. So cooled cup holders is kind of cool. But she definitely needs to get tires. I do like the wheels. They look nice. But yeah, we're gonna give this thing a kind of a good look over and see what I can clean up on it. Like I said, whoever did the PPF on this is like a joke. I mean, there's like bubbles all in it. But and it almost makes me feel like they did the PPF to cover up stuff, because like right here, that feels like a paint where they just put touch-up paint and then they just put the PPF over top of it. That's makes me think that they put PPF on it just to cover up paint defects or something. But I mean, she's not that worried about the cosmetic end of it as long as the engine's good. This one, being a 2012, has got 75,000 miles. So that was kind of what her main thing was. She was wanting to find something that didn't have a lot of miles, because she specifically wanted this body style. This is, you know, this is just like hers was, just newer. This one's 5 years newer, and color's different. I mean, obviously hers was the white diamond, but my dad actually, when she bought the white diamond one, he wanted her to get a black one, so that's why she went with black this time. So since that was something that he actually wanted. But the chrome looks really nice on the black. I think it's called Black Raven. I'll have to look that up, but I believe that's the paint code for Cadillac for this Escalade. But I'll have to confirm that. But anyway, we're going to go through and clean up, do some cleanup on it, see what we can improve. I do know there's some scuffs right here, but this has got paint film on it. So, but there's some scratches right there. Let's see if I can get them to come off. All right, so cleaned up pretty good. Like I said, there's definitely some hail damage on the hood, but I mean, you know, it's a used vehicle, so engine sounds good. Like I said, the worst part though is the PPF. Man, whoever did it did such a bad job. And there are so many bits of debris under it. Also noticed at some point this window was replaced, because they replaced it. I mean, it's a GM glass, but it's non-defrosted, and the passenger side's defrosted. But I mean, you know, there again, used vehicle. So other issue is I don't like the way this does not seem to be secured very good. So we're gonna look at that. Cleaned all the glass, looks pretty good. Windshield looks good. Tires, like I said, they definitely got to be, I mean, the rear wear indicators aren't too far, but the fronts are really bad. And this door used to be paint protected, but this is the one that was repaired. Seats have some wear, but not terrible. No real cuts. Might be able to get conditioner on that. This one does have stuff hers didn't have though. It's got cooled cup holders. It's kind of cool. It is funny that this button, the fan control, hers did the same thing where it just peeled off. It's like whatever material they use on this plastic just doesn't hold up very good. I don't even know if there's anything you can touch up with that to make it look better, but whatever. Steering wheel's good. Seats are nice. They're definitely nicer seats than what was in hers, because this being a Platinum. I've got to get the garage door programmed for her. The other thing that I'm gonna look, but I'm pretty sure, I just don't know that this is factory. This trim piece, I feel like somebody just put this over it because there was a hole or something in this, maybe. But the driver's side's got it too. But not a big deal. But like I said, she's gonna drive this thing, so. She put 205,000 miles on her last one. Running boards work good. Carpets look good, actually. Steering wheel's nice. Not all beat up or anything. See, this is, I don't know, maybe this is how it's made. Hers just wasn't like that, but hers was a 2007. So it's almost like a rough material. I don't know, it just, to me, it looks out of place. Looks like this part's been repaired or something, I don't know. I would think they would have done on both sides to make it match. I'm gonna try to put some leather conditioner on her seats, see if that brings those back. Dash looks good. All the gauges look good. She does need to get some WeatherTech floor mats though. But all the carpets look good. I mean, interior's nice. Doesn't look like anybody ever even sat back here. Got the DVD players. Need to go through and clean all the door jambs though. They haven't been cleaned. Sunroof works. Everything else works on it. Only thing I can figure though is this thing's set outside a lot. Because these bolts are rusty. So I'd say water got in here and just sat. Engine's not that pretty, but it does sound good though when it's running. But there's some rusty components. Like I said, I think this thing must have sat for a while. So you can see there's a new bolt. All right, so I'm gonna try some Chemical Guys leather quick detailer. Cleans, restores, protects. Let's see how well it does on this. I'm not expecting any miracles, but hey, we'll give it a try. Like I said, it definitely looks like the front two seats were the only ones that were even used in this vehicle. There's not much wear or anything on the back ones at all, if any. Do another coating. Let it sit in there for a little bit. Well, my mom takes really good care of her vehicles, so I'm sure she's going to take care of this bin better than the person that owned it before. All right.
say that did pretty dang good. I mean, that definitely cleaned it up a lot better. Not as noticeable. I'll put another coat on it, but impressed with that. Here's the other back seat. Like I said, it looks really good. I mean, they're not worn at all, really. I'll put some conditioner on them too, though. Okay, after doing 3 applications, I'd say that looks really good compared to what it did look like. So yeah, I'd say that stuff works pretty good. So I came to Discount Tire to get Mom 4 new tires for Escalade. I couldn't let her go out of town with it in that condition, so. Looks good. New tires. Yeah, you're gonna be running into some rain, I'm sure.